Hello everyone, this is Ricey, and in this video, let's talk about the latest news or updates from IRCC for immigration in 2022. So the immigration recently announced that the IRCC or the Express Entry Draw will resume in 2 months time. 2 months time is in July, so that's July 2022, and the second one is that international graduates who are under PGWP have got the opportunity or the benefit of extending their stay within Canada for 18 months. Now let's go dive deep into the details, nits and bits of these two updates. So if you are under or you have an Express Entry account and your application falls under the FSW and FSTP, or the Federal Skilled Worker and Federal Skilled Trade program, then you have got the opportunity to be invited for PR application. Now, one factor that we have to truly consider here is the cutoff score. Since the Express Entry pool had ballooned during the pandemic, it is certainly expected that the CRS score cutoff will be quite high. It will be around 500 or even higher. So if your score is at the 500 level and higher, then there's a high possibility that you could be invited. If the score that you have is lower than that, then it's not the end of the world really, because this CRS score is expected to go down eventually as IRCC implements regular draws. Currently, the Express Entry processing time range between 7 months and 20 months, mainly because of the scenario that we have been experiencing in the past year due to the pandemic. But now, the IRCC had essentially promised and put into place that applications will be processed within 7 months, really. So that's cutting the processing time into less than half. And the second latest update has got something to do with the international graduates. By summer of this year, 2022, international graduates who are 1, in Canada, 2, are under temporary status, and 3, have got PGWP or postgraduate work permit that will expire between January and December 2022 have the benefit to extend their open work permit up to 18 months. Do note though that this is a temporary regulation. It is not permanent, and according to IRCC, about 95,000 PGWP will expire by the end of the year, and about 50,000 PGWP holders will benefit from this temporary regulation. So if you are under the circumstances that I have just mentioned and you are an international student, be sure to adhere to these regulations by the IRCC and prepare your documentations immediately and apply for the extension of your PGWP come summer 2022.